Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving into the impressive features and specifications of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer, a machine that sets new standards in heavy-duty earth-moving equipment. The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer is powered by the robust Cat C27 engine, delivering a net power of 603 horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. This powerhouse ensures the D10 can tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the D10 is its stator clutch torque converter. This technology automatically disengages the stator under low-load conditions, enhancing drivetrain efficiency and reducing fuel consumption by up to 4%. The D10's high-efficiency load-sensing hydraulic system improves implement response and further contributes to fuel efficiency. Operators will appreciate the improved interface, featuring a multifunction touchscreen display that provides real-time performance data and allows for customization of machine parameters to suit specific tasks. Safety has been a priority in the design of the D10. The machine is equipped with standard technologies like automated blade assist, which automates blade movements to key preset positions, enabling faster loading, smoother material carrying, and efficient dumping. In terms of productivity, the D10 offers high horsepower reverse speeds, reducing non-productive travel time and increasing overall efficiency by up to 8%. Durability and serviceability are also key aspects of the D10's design. The machine boasts longer component life, extended oil change intervals, and improved serviceability, leading to up to an 8% reduction in maintenance and repair costs. Now, let's talk about the expected price. The base price of a new Caterpillar D10 Dozer starts at around $1 million. However, prices can vary depending on additional features and customizations. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer, check out this detailed video. That wraps up our overview of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Dozer. Stay tuned to Automotive World for more insights into the latest advancements in heavy machinery.